Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi everyone, I'm Claudia, international makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. As summer is almost around the corner, I want to show you how to achieve the most natural freckles ever and how you can pair it with a very simple look with a brown liner and very clean skin. So as usual, I'm gonna start with cleaning, hydration and then priming, of course. I will start by cleaning the skin with some micellar water and then I'm also gonna tone it using this toner by Fresh Beauty, which is one of my favorites. After that, I will start by hydrating the skin with the serum, a lightweight serum, because before makeup you don't want to apply anything heavy on the skin. I'm also gonna hydrate the eye area and the lip area, and then I'm gonna use the primer, the blurring primer on the center of the face, around the nose and on the chin and on the forehead, because I want that area to look a little bit more matte.
It sound right, boy.
In order to perfect the complexion, I will start by using this foundation, which is by Fenty Beauty, is the matte one. And then, because I want to color correct a little bit on the area around the lips, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, which has a very warm, almost orangey undertone, and it works perfectly as a corrector around the lip area and also around the eye area as well. After that, I'm also going to conceal the under eye area, and I will also apply some cream blush, because you know I love my cream blush and you have to apply all cream products and the highlight as well before applying any powder.
It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
After I made sure that all the cream products are very well blended, I will start setting the face with this powder, which also color corrects a little bit. I will bake a little bit the under eye area to make sure that the color is on point. And after that, I'm going to use this bronzer by Benefit, which works amazing on her skin tone. And I'm going to blend it all the way on her forehead, on her chin, a little bit on the nose as well, and of course on the underneath the cheekbones. And I'm also going to use the powder blush just to intensify the cream blush a little bit more.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
Now you're gonna see me correct the brows as well, because usually you see me just brushing them up, but now I'm gonna actually show you how to create a 3D effect on the brows. This is why I start with the brow definer and I make sure I'm filling in the brows and I create the shape that I want. After that, I'm gonna use the brow freeze to brush them up and keep them in place. And after that, in order to create the 3D effect, I'm gonna use the brow pen to create some hair strokes.
It sound right, boy.
I will start filling in the lips even though I didn't finish the eye yet, because I want to see how this whole look will look at the end and what I have to add on the eyes. So this is why I'm starting by lining them with this brown liner, and then I'm gonna fill them in using the Sunny's Face lipstick. And after that, I'm gonna create my freckles, and this is the secret. This product makes the most natural freckles you have ever seen in your life. You just apply it and then you dab it with your finger, so they will look very, very natural.
It sound right, boy.
Considering the fact that I created a very warm look, I'm gonna keep the eyes very warm as well. So this is why I start by using this very warm base. I'm applying it all over the eyelids and on the lower lash line as well. And then I will create my brown wing using the exact same pencil that I actually used on the lips as well. I'm gonna set that with a little bit of powder shadow, and I'm also going to set the eye base with a little bit of powder shadow as well.
It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
Now all you have to do is apply tons and tons of mascara on your top and bottom lashes. Of course, you know I love mascara, and then the look is finished. You can of course pair the freckles with any look you want, but usually when I apply freckles, I make sure I keep the look pretty simple so that the freckles will be the focus. So if you recreate this look, of course don't forget to tag me on your Insta story so that I can share it on my stories as well. Thank you so much for watching.
It sound right, boy.